Hello, dear viewers. Good day to you all. You're welcome to today's class. I remain your pro guide, Aisha by name. The video is sponsored by Proj Connect. Do not forget, kindly go to the Play Store, search for Proj Connect for you to get started to get more exciting and educative videos on the application. So today we are going to solve questions on the permutation. But before we begin with permutation, we will first of all discuss what we mean by factorial. So I'll explain factorial, some of its real life applications before we move on to permutation. So this permutation is a topic basically in your first year, that is in your 100 level, whether you're in polytechnic or a university or even a federal college of education. As far as you're dealing with mathematics, this topic is always comes in your first year. So let's discuss what we mean by factorial. Factorial is the product of positive integers which is less than or equal to a given positive integer. Another thing we need to know under factorial is that the lowest factor of a number n under factorial is unity. And what we mean by unity is 1. So the relation for given for factorial has a symbol. This is a symbol for factorial, but factorial is given as what? N factorial. So for n factorial, the formula or the relation we are to use to solve any problem is going to be n times n minus 1 multiplied by n minus 2 multiplied by dot dot dot, then till we get to what? 1 multiplied by 1. Okay, so this is the relation for any factorial of n numbers. Okay, so let's solve a problem. For more clarification, let's simplify 6 factorial. So what 6 factorial means is that this is going to be equal to 6 times 6 minus 1 multiplied by 6 minus 2 multiplied by 6 minus 3 multiplied by 6 minus 4 multiplied by 6 minus 5. So simplifying this, we have 6 times, this gives us 5. The next one gives us 4 times and 3 times 2 times 1. And when we multiply the whole of this, we have 720 as our answer. So what this means basically is 6 factorial is 720. Okay, as simple as that. Let's pick another example. Let's say 6 factorial all divided by 2 factorial plus 3 factorial. So solving this, we can see that this 6 here is the n, right? So this 6 factorial now is the same thing as saying 6 multiplied by, that is 6 minus 1 multiplied by 6 minus 2 multiplied by 6 minus 3 multiplied by 6 minus 4, then up to multiplied by 6 minus 5. So this is for the numerator, right? So now let's go to 2 factorial. That means our n here is 2, right? So this is going to be 2 times open bracket 2 minus 1, okay? Then plus, here n is 3. So 3 factorial is going to be 3 times open bracket 3 minus 1 times 3 minus 2. So let's simplify this. So here we are going to have 6 times 6 minus 1. So here we have 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. You can see the last digit here is 1. That's why we say the lowest factor of the number n in any factorial is 1. So that's why we have the last number here as 1. So here we have 2 times 1. You can see here is also 1. Then plus here is going to be 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, all the last numbers are 1. Okay, that's unity. Simplifying this, we have 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 gives us a value of 720. All over 2 times here, 1 is 2, plus 3 times 2 times 1 here gives us 6. So here we have 720 divided by 8, and this gives us a value of 90. Okay, so what it means is 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial plus 3 factorial gives us our final answer to be 90. So this is as simple as that. Basically, this is all we need to know under factorial, because we need to, factorial is what leads us to permutation and also combination.